Hi there, Lee Farnell here, and you're listening to Leading Your Best Life. And today we're going to talk about the big number 3. How the number 3 can change your life, change your business, change your sales, change so many things. And I want to share it with you now. So get a notepad out and start doing some thinking. Stay with me. Here we go. Well, what am I talking about when I say the power of 3? I've been listening to some podcasts and looking back on some notes from some old members, and then actually I'm redoing a certification on a talent dynamic program, which is the talent dynamic program we use when we're talking about getting the best out of teams. It's a fantastic tool that you use to get an idea of not just a person's personality style, but we talk about how to build trust and how to build flow. But in amongst all of that was this power and reminder of the number 3. The number 3. 3. First of all, we go, what are your 3 big goals you want to achieve this year? The 3 big goals you want to achieve this year. And if they're the 3 big goals you want to achieve this year, what are the 3 big goals you want to achieve this 90 days? In other words, you break it down into quarters, just like any public company does. What is the quarter? The 90 days. Over the next 90 days, what are the 3 big goals you want to achieve? It could be a marketing goal, an IT goal, a recruiting goal, a product development goal. It could be a personal growth goal. It could be a physical lose weight goal. It could be a get fit goal. It could be a relationship goal. It could be any of those. Some people go, what are the 3 goals I want to achieve in each of the major aspects of my life, whether it be personal relationships, health, money, business, sales, internal happiness, personal development, whatever. But what are the 3 goals? Keep it to 3. I'll never forget a guy called Peter Jackson, who was a senior manager in Telstra here in WA at one stage, says, mate, don't try and have 50 goals, just have 3. Knock off the top 3, then we'll go to the next top 3. Just knock off the 3. In other words, keeping it simple. Clarity of goals, as we say. Clarity leads to power. Where attention goes, energy flows, and results show. We talk about SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and relevant, with time frames. I want to achieve it by a certain time frame, by March 10 or by April 30th or June 30th. So what are the top 3 goals for the year you want to achieve? What are the top 3 goals you want to achieve in this quarter? Then you might break it down and go, right, this month, if that is the goal, the 3 goals we want to achieve this quarter, what do I need to achieve this month if I'm going to work my way to achieving those goals? Then at the start of each week, this is a tip I got from one of the other coaches, 3 post-it notes. So each of the goals for the week is on a post-it note. What is the goal I want to achieve this week? And certainly when we're involved in coaching programs, we use this 3, the number 3. 3 goals for the year, 3 goals for the quarter, 3 goals for the week. And then, so on the Monday morning, we do what are the goals for the week? And what are you going to need to do time-wise to make sure you achieve those goals? Where are you going to allocate time to achieve it? Who are you going to work with to make that happen? How will you know you're on track, say, by Wednesday? And then on Friday, you check, how did I go about achieving those goals for the week? So then you go, if they're the goals I need to achieve this week, what do I need to do today? What are my top 3 goals tomorrow, Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday or Friday, to achieve those goals? So you break it down: annual goal, quarterly goal, monthly goal, before weekly goal, and then you break it down to literally daily goals, the top 3, the top 3, the top 3. So those post-it notes are sitting on your computer, or on your wall, or on your whiteboard, or on your fridge, or on your bathroom mirror, so that each week you are chipping away at those top 3, which then break it down to daily. So how would that go for you if you use that system, the top 3 goals system? I challenge you to do that. To make it smart, because by breaking it down into step by step, you make it both achievable, step by step, realistic and relevant and real time, and it's in your face. And you can visualize it. In the ideal world, what you'll do is the night before, when you know that's the goal I need to achieve, or they're the 3 goals I need to achieve tomorrow, you will visualize yourself taking the activity to achieve those goals. As we say, where attention goes, energy flows, and results show. The top 3. If we're going to lead our best life, we need to know how to play the top 3 game. I look forward to hearing your feedback, and stay tuned for this announcement, because it really can make a massive difference. Thanks for listening. I'm Lee Farnell. Hi there, it's Lee Farnell here. Can I ask you a question? Is your sales team ready to make 2025 their best year yet? January's here, and so it really is the perfect opportunity to kickstart success with the CZ6 Sales Transformation Program. Now, it doesn't matter if you're in B2B or retail sales. For the past 25 years, our proven CZ6 system will empower your team with the skills to close more deals, overcome objections, and maximize every sales opportunity. Whether it's building confidence, mastering negotiation, or sharpening their focus, our training and coaching will give your team the competitive edge they need to thrive in today's fast-paced market. And here's the best part. January isn't just the start of the year, it's the start of fresh budgets, new goals, and untapped opportunities. So don't wait for Q4 to wonder why you're falling behind. Start strong and make 2025 the year your sales team dominates. Invest in their growth, invest in their success, and invest in your bottom line. Call us today at 0412 945 402 or visit leefarnell.com. January won't wait. Why should you? The CZ6 Sales Transformation System. We put wings onto your sales results.